Hello everyone, and welcome to break 4135 for the 2020 Panini National Treasures Baseball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, January 10th, 2021. It's 10:34 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:34 p.m. Central Time, and 7:34 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Flanders like 2 spots, Everyday 1, Haas Sauce with 1, Goss Kev with 8, Key with 2, Whitlock Cordage Company with 1, I Chef Around 1, Purple 1, Damon 2, Tax Freak 1, Jake with 1, CBD Cards 1, Japor 1, Lucky Days 1, Japri with 1, Decepticon 1, Ravishing Rob with 3, and J Dealum with 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. We have Flanders on top, J Dealum on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Goss Kev on top, Ravishing Rob on the bottom. All right, Goss Kev, you have the Diamondbacks. Purple, Braves. Flanders with the Orioles. Key with the Red Sox. Tax Freak Cubs. Japor with the White Sox. Everyday Reds. Ravishing Rob Indians. Damon Rockies. J Dealum Tigers. I Chef Around Astros. CBD Cards with the Royals. Goss with the Angels. Dodgers. Marlins. Brewers going to Decepticon. Kiga with the Twins, Goss Kev Mets, Whitlock Cordage Company Yankees. Haas Sauce with the Athletics, Ravishing Rob with the Phillies, Goss Kev Pirates. Flanders with the Padres, Jake Giants, Goss Kev Mariners. Damon Cardinals, Goss Kev Rays, Japri Rangers, Lucky Days Blue Jays, and last but not least, Ravishing Rob with Washington. All right, here we are, all sealed up. And if we have Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York, we'll look up and confirm which team in that city the card will go to. Good luck, everybody. All right, sealed up. Move this back a little bit. All right, there's our box. Here's our empty box. All right, let's see what we have. Left side. Right side. Empty, empty. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see who we'll start with. Bobby Witt Jr., 19 out of 25. There we go, Bobby Witt Jr. Game Gear Material. Triple jersey, Kansas City. Very nice. There's the back. Then we have a Justin Dunn, Seattle Mariners, Colossal Rookie Jersey 8 out of 25. Very nice for Seattle. we have Gleyber Torres. Come on, camera. New York. So as I mentioned, 31 out of 99. New York, Chicago, or Los Angeles. We will confirm. We know it's the Yankees, but want to be consistent here, of course. And for those of you just popping in, welcome. The full-size autograph football helmet will be at the end of the breaks. Cal Ripken, Game Gear Materials, 87 out of 99. Game worn jersey, Cal Ripken Jr. Very nice. Congrats, Baltimore. San Diego Padres, we have Josh Naylor. Jersey auto. That is 3 out of 25. Very nice for San Diego. Colossal jersey auto. Player worn used material. Then we have a dual jersey auto. Yoshitomo Chisugo, Tampa Bay Rays, 26 out of 99. Very nice, Tampa Bay. Player worn used material. And also a heads up, those breaks that sold out, we will break those tonight. Anything that sells out while we're live, we do break the same night. We have Brian Abreu, rookie, patch auto, 11 out of 49 for Houston. Very nice. Player worn used material. A redemption, a rookie silhouette signatures hollow gold, Bo Bichetti. Very nice. Very nice. We'll come back to that. Let's just put you up here. And booklet of, we have a dual booklet, legendary silhouette, 47 out of 99. Who do we have here? Ooh, check that out. We have Elston Howard, game used jersey. New York, New York. Gil McDougald. Check out those jerseys. Very nice. We'll confirm those New Yorks, but all right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who's getting what. Let's start with Houston Astros. And the Astros, iChef round 920. Congrats. Then we have Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay Rays. Tampa Bay Rays. Going to Goskev-0. Congrats. Josh Naylor, San Diego Padres. San Diego Padres, Flanders like. Congrats. Cal Ripken Jr. game used jersey out of 99 for Baltimore. Baltimore Orioles, Flanders like. Congrats. Gleyber Torres. So we know that's the Yankees, but it doesn't technically say that, so let's just confirm the Yankees. All right, Gleyber. Looks like the Browns are trying to lose this game tonight. Gleyber Torres. So because it says New York, just want to confirm the Yankees. Whitlock Cordage Company. Congrats. We have Justin Dunn. Seattle 8 out of 25 rookie colossal patch. Seattle Mariners Goskev-0. Congrats. Bobby Witt Jr. 19 out of 25 Game Gear material. That's Kansas City Royals. Kansas City CBD cards. Congrats. Now let's confirm our Bo Bichetti here. Rookie silhouette signature hollow gold. Bo Bichetti. So whoever has Toronto, if you don't, get yourself a Panini America account ASAP. Toronto Blue Jays. Lucky days today's. Congrats. Get that Bo Bichetti from Panini. We'll give you the code, of course. And now our legendary silhouette dual booklet game used jersey. Need to confirm our New Yorks here, but very nice. Okay, so Alston, Howard, Gill. Alston, Howard. So Alston. So New York for him would be the NYY is the New York Yankees. And then we have Gil. Gil's also. So the Yankees, congrats. Who has the New York Yankees? Whitlock Cordage Company, congrats. Booklet's going to you. And guys, that was break 4135 for the 2020 Panini National Treasures baseball card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2j Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next, we have break 4152 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition card box. Thanks.